Do you want to make your voice recording amazing in a single click with Audacity? You can do that with the method I am going to show you now. I will show the demo using this recording. I will duplicate the track to compare it with the original recording. I will improve the second track. Select the track and go to Tools. From Apply Macro, select Level and Improve Macro. I will show you in a moment how you can get this macro. The audio has become better instantly and we will listen and compare.
Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Even if you are a beginner, you can start using Audacity with a very small learning curve. You have to learn the basics of audio editing and you are good to go. To clean up audio recordings using Audacity, you have to know some basics about the audio data. Though Audacity is 100% free, it is powerful enough to do professional quality work.
This macro works with any audio recording. I will show it in another recording. This is a female voice and was recorded in a completely different environment than mine. I will apply the same Level and Improve macro on this recording.
Or if you struggle with perfectionism like me, we're going to set time limits. Give yourself a time limit for deciding, and then you're going to act. You could actually set a timer. This will train you to start just making decisions quicker. And the quicker you can make decisions, the quicker you're going to begin to see progress, which will then keep you going on.
So you see, it is hugely improving the audio just with a single click. So how do you install this macro? For Tools menu, go to Macro Manager. Click Import inside Macro Manager. You have to browse to the location of this TXT file. This TXT file is named Level and Improve Macro. Click Open and the macro will be installed and ready to use. You can get this macro from one-click Amazing Voice. I will share the link in the description. If you bought macro pack from me previously, you do not need to buy this macro. This macro is included in these macro packs. Already 10 supports are using this and I encourage you to join them. In case my macro does not work with your audio, email me your recording and I will build a custom macro for you for free. My macro will work on Windows, Mac and Linux. If you want to know the inside details of how to clean the audio like these macros, I have an audio cleanup course for you. You may consider enrolling to the audio cleanup course if you want to learn all these things by yourself.